Well, welcome to this glorious day, and as the title of this video suggests, I've done something completely bonkers and bought myself a new bike. So without further ado, here she is. Boom. Yes, love it. Where to? Don't want to slip in this shit. So here it is, guys. I've done it. Completely bonkers and wasn't planned at all, but I was offered a great deal on this bike that I just couldn't refuse. So here we have it, the KTM Super Duke GT. This bike is absolutely bonkers. Yeah, so why have I done it? I went down to KTM, my local KTM dealership, just to have a look around, just to have a look at the dealership, because I didn't even know it was there. It's only 20 minutes from where I live. And while I was there, obviously I had a good look around, and there was two bikes I was wanting to test ride anyway for the channel, and a couple of people had asked me if I could get on it. It was this Super Duke GT and the Super Adventure. Super Adventure wasn't available, but the GT was. So I got on it, went for a test ride. I made a film, but I enjoyed the bike so much, so I thought, sod it. When I go back, I'll just inquire facts and figures. Tell me what you got. And he made me a deal I couldn't refuse on this bike, and he gave me an absolutely spanking price for the XR. And I thought, sod it, why not? I mean, the noise, the tone of this engine is so addictive, and I wanted a V-twin ages ago. Back a couple of years ago, when I test drove the Ducati Multistrada, ended up buying the XR for the reasons I stated in that video that I did about why I bought the XR. But now I've got a V-twin, and it is such a good engine. But as I said on a previous video, I was toying the idea anyway of changing the XR at the end of this year, start next year. But obviously this came up, and it was an offer I couldn't refuse, and I actually saved money. So if you can get a new bike and save yourself some money, then it's win-win. Yeah, so this is just a sort of reveal video to you guys that I've actually bought this, and I'm going to be doing further videos on it. I won't be doing a review on it as yet. A few guys have asked if I can do a comparison video to this and the XR. Now they're very comparable bikes, so I should be getting that video done. Yeah, so I'm not going to be taking this mad bastard with me in June down to the Alps. Oh, this thing is bonkers! I mean, this thing has got 173 brake horsepower, so it's got 13 more than the XR, but it has got so much more torque. And from low down, the power is just all over the rev range. Oops. dirt. But as I said, I'm going to sort of chat about the bike on another video, do the comparison, do a bit of a review later, so I'll just leave you guys to enjoy the ride and I'll see you next time. Easy on them new tyres. It's so light, this thing is so nimble, you can chuck this around all over the gaff. I always get a bus. That was a bit daft. Oh yes! Oh well guys, what an absolute bonkers thing of a machine! Well boys and girls, I am looking forward to making loads of video on this mad bastard. Catch you later.